Mrs. Nandini Tripathi, Ms. Sharma Sayyed, coordinators Mrs. Jyoti Shukla, Mrs. Hemlata Singh, Mrs. Anamika Singh, and Mr. Prateek Kumar Sahani. Special guest and very dear friend of mine, Mr. Arpit Tripathi, all the teaching staff members, my very dear students. Namaskar and a very happy Independence Day to all. Today, as we gather under the tricolor, we remember the countless heroes who gifted us this precious freedom. From the revolt of 1857 to the Quit India movement of 1942, our history is filled with stories of unmatched bravery. They faced prison, hardships, and even death. Also that we could breathe in a free India. Freedom was not handed to us. It was earned through struggle, sacrifices, and unshakable belief in the dream of independent Bharat. And with this freedom comes responsibility, the responsibility to protect it, cherish it, and strengthen it. This year, our school celebrated Swatantrata Saptah from 7th to 15th August with great enthusiasm, inspired by our Honorable Prime Minister's theme, the 4 new castes of New Bharat: Garib, Yuva, Nari, or Annadata. That is, the poor, the youth, the women, and the farmers who together form the backbone of our beloved nation. Throughout this week, the students brought a theme to life through various activities. On 7th August, we began with the cleanliness drive at Azad Chowk with the slogan Gandagi Bharat Chhoro to free India from dirt, just as our freedom fighters freed from the foreign rule. On 8th August, our students celebrated Rakhi with our police officers at Ramgarh Tal Thana, showing gratitude to those who protect us, and observe Riksha Bandhan tying Rakhis to trees to pledge love and care for Mother Nature. On 11th August, we organized Annadan for poor among the 4 new castes because feeding the hungry is one of the greatest services to humanity. Our budding reporters interviewed farmers, recording podcasts to share their voices, struggle, and dream with the world. 8 talented girls from our school performed patriotic dance at different iconic locations of Gorakhpur, spreading the colors of freedom everywhere. And the program will be telecasted live on YouTube today at 1 p.m. I request all the students and all the people, those who are watching this video live on YouTube, the dance performance of the girls that were performed will be telecasted live at YouTube on the school's YouTube channel. And on 13th August, our youngest stars from class Playway to class 3, from class Playway to class 2, filled the campus with joy through songs, dances, and speeches in their Independence Day celebration. What amazes me is that all wonderful performances and dances from UKG to 2 and beyond were prepared in just 7 days. This is a shining example of the hard work of our teachers and the dedication of our students. Dear students, you have shown that our school is full of talent, energy, and passion. You are the torch bearers of the country's future. Just as our freedom fighters dreamt of a strong India, you must dream of a clean, united, and prosperous India and work every way to make this into a reality. Before I end, I want to thank every student, every teacher, and everyone who tirelessly worked to make this program a grand success. your teamwork, your discipline and creativity have set an example, and I am proud to be the director of this school. Let us carry forward this spirit of unity and dedication, not just today, every day of the year. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.